हेलो एंड नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज मैं आई हूँ महालक्ष्मी, एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोजेक्ट में जिसका नाम है गोदरेज एवेन्यू 11। काफ़ी प्राइम लोकेशन पे लोकेटेड है ये, और हम अभी जहाँ पे खड़े हैं ये एक्चुअल में आपको इसी तरीके से डिलीवर करके मिलेगा। सो दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस लॉबी ऑफ योर टावर एंड नाउ आई विल बी शोइंग यू द एक्चुअल लॉबी एंड विल टॉक अबाउट द लोकेशन फर्स्टली। सो गाइस, लोकेशन की तो ज़्यादा बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बता देती हूँ। सो गाइस, ये प्रोजेक्ट जो लोकेटेड है ये साने गुरुजी मार्ग पे लोकेटेड है, जेकब सर्कल के यहाँ पे, सात रस्ता, विच इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर लोकेशन ऑफ महालक्ष्मी। सो इन दिस we will be talking about all the features, all the USPs, benefits, and we'll be seeing the apartment by ourselves. ये actual lobby है जहाँ पे हम अभी बैठे हुए हैं. So this is the double heighted lobby and this is exactly how you are going to get your apartment all done up. So this is how your lobby will be. It is really premium and luxurious in every possible way. Now let's quickly go and see the apartment. इसका एक यूएसपी मैं आपको यहाँ पे रिवील कर देती हूँ. द बिगेस्ट यूएसपी ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज इट्स अ लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट. सो अगर आप पूरे मार्केट में देखोगे काफ़ी डेवलपर्स काफ़ी ऑप्शंस आपको दे रहे हैं, बट लो डेंसिटी कोई नहीं दे रहा है. तो यहाँ पे आपको 54 स्टोरी का जो टावर है, इसमें एक फ्लोर पे 4 अपार्टमेंट्स आएंगे, ओनली 4 अपार्टमेंट्स. So that is the biggest USP. The total project features only 400 apartment in itself. So guys, I'll quickly give you the overview of this project. So the project featuring is total 4-acre freehold land parcel, out of which 2.5 acres is for the open space. So 80% is open space. There are only 2 towers with a breathtaking view. So it's a 54-story tallest towers. G plus 6th level is your parking. 7th and 8th level will be your podium amenities area, and 9th is your first habitable floor. So from 9th till 54 is the complete habitable floor, which has 4 BHK and 3 BHK exclusively. A layout that literally speaks volume in every possible way, a luxury finished apartment. So in this you will be having a carpet area for 3 BHK 1600 and 1650, and for 4 BHK the carpet is around 2100 till 2300 approximately. So over here you can see all the amenities area on this side. There's a proper clubhouse, there's an infinity pool on the rooftop. You have certain amenities on the rooftop and certain are on the podium level. So on the rooftop you get the infinity pool, observatory deck, gymnasium and your lounge area. On the podium level you have all the football court, badminton court, squash court, kids play area, your open amphitheater space. Then on this side you have a football court. Over the rooftop of the clubhouse you have got Olympic sized pool, guys. So this is all the amenities that you get over here. The location is very prime. I am sure we all know about the location part. So this is how it is. There is Tower A and Tower B. Tower A is 80% sold out. In Tower A there is only 4 BHK and in Tower B there is 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartment. In Tower B you will be having the choice of apartment depending on the floor, which floor you want to go for and which view you want to opt for. In Tower A we have only limited units available. So for knowing the inventory, please call on the given number, talk to the direct sales representative and get a proper understanding of the pricing and the inventory available. Now we'll go and see the actual apartment. As we are in the actual building, I'll show you the lobby, the actual lobby of the building. The apartment that I'm going to show is a 4 BHK, which will give you a clear image of the layout that you are planning for. Come on, let's quickly check out that. So friends, right now we are in the actual building and this is the actual lobby. This is how you will be getting it. So अभी मैं आपको 4 BHK exclusive luxurious layout दिखाने वाली हूँ जिसकी carpet size है 2433. Firstly, this is my entrance and this is the grand foyer area. So here is the servant room. So servant room will be having a separate entrance. It will not be from your main entrance. It will be having a separate entrance for the servant room, your house help area, right? So here from here I enter and this is the foyer space that we have. So first we'll check out the house help room and the kitchen space. So this is the house help area, guys. This is how the entire space is. Here is your washing machine space, your dishwasher, everything over here. There's a proper washroom and shower area for her to freshen up, and this is the space. This is how it has been done. It is a hyaluronic bed for her to rest over here that you can see on the side, and then she can just close it up or he can just close it up, take some rest, and they can get fresh over here. That is some utility space created for them, and then they can enter the kitchen space. So this is the kitchen area that is there. So this is how so this is a bathroom for them, as we have already discussed. This is the service area for them. This is the utility space on this side, and here comes your entire kitchen space. So the kitchen space, if you see from here, guys, it's a C-shaped kitchen. This is a proper east-west facing apartment. So this side is east, and that side, your balconies and everything, your view will be towards the west. So this is how it is. You can keep your double door fridge on this side. So it's a proper 106 square feet kitchen. This is the space for the double door fridge. Here you can put your all these things, and here your platform comes in a C-shape. So quite very good quality platform. Now I'll be taking you towards the living area. So guys, we are back to square one. We are at the foyer space, and this is your palatial living space. A beautiful layout, a grand sized living space of 933 square feet in size. So this is how it is. It's really beautiful, elegant, and speaks volume. Over here is your artistic style designed bar counter. You can take an inspiration and design just like similar way for yourself, or in a more different or better way you can do that. I really liked it. The entire space over here, you can throw a party, and the entire thing will be very well designed, and it is really elegant in every possible way. Here is your formal lounge area. So this is how you can plan your sitting space. So you can take an inspiration from this design. It is very sophisticated, very minimalistic, and it is really premium in every possible way. So this is the view, guys. This is the beautiful view of Mumbai skyline that you will be getting when you are in this living area. And yes, gorgeous Mumbai is what you can see on the side. So there are certain apartments that comes with deck, and then there are certain apartments which does not come with deck. So you can choose your apartment as per your preference and requirement. Here is your dining space. So you can see, guys, so it's a proper 9-seater dining space over here. You can increase it to 12 or however you want as per your requirement. Very well designed, and it is exactly opposite to your kitchen space. So the functioning is very easy. So I really like this living area. It's designed in a rectangular shape, and it's really perfect in every possible way. You can take the inspiration of the ceiling design. The height of the ceiling, for that matters, is really good. So this is how it is, guys. And the size that I told, 933 square feet, also includes your study area. So this is a corner that you have in the apartment. You can just design it the way you want. You keep it as a study room, or any profession that you are into, or a study corner or a workstation, however you feel like. So now I'll be taking you towards the rest of the bedrooms. So these are the 4 bedrooms that we'll be capturing. So first I'll be showing you this bedroom. So the size of this bedroom is 189 square feet in total. Look at the view. This is the view that you will be getting. As I told you, both the side you have the view. So some view you can enjoy from those bedrooms, and certainly some view from this bedroom. Okay, so this is the size, and here comes your bed space. You have a good space for your TV, wall mounting, and there's a wardrobe space on this side. This is how the window you will be getting. This window will be fixed, and this is the one that will get slided, the upper one. So here is your beautifully designed bath and toilet space, which comes with all the branded faucet. The size of the bath and toilet is 8 by 5. Now just opposite to this bedroom is our another bedroom. So guys, all the bedrooms are the master bedrooms. So this apartment comes with 6 washrooms. So now let me show you this one. So the size of this one is 183 square feet. So this is how it is. It's really beautiful and spacious in size. Firstly, as you enter, this is the foyer area. Here is your wardrobe area on the foyer space. So यहाँ पे आपका proper wardrobe आ जाता है, and as you come inside, you have this entire room for yourself. तो यहाँ पे आपका bed आ जाएगा. You have a 2.5 square feet space for your bedside table, and then you have a good, beautiful, modern design chair on this side, wherein you can chill, you can read your book, you can have your particular space, your personal space, जहाँ पे हमें living room में नहीं जाना है, and this is the space that you can utilize for yourself with this beautiful, gorgeous view. And it comes with an attached bathroom. As I mentioned, all the rooms are with attached and bath and toilet, so the size remains same, 8 by 5 square feet. So now, these are the again last and the final master bedrooms, which are huge in size compared to the first two. So I'll be taking you towards this one first. As I enter inside, here is the bath and toilet attached. The size is again same, 8 by 5. And the bedroom size is slightly bigger. It is 193 square feet. So this is how your bedroom size is. This is the gorgeous view that you get. So this is lifetime open view, unobstructed view. There's nothing which is going to get constructed or just going to block your view. This is what you will get to see for a lifetime. This is really beautiful and impressive, guys, because in Mumbai views are said that those are temporary. आज ये है तो कल कुछ और हो जाता है, तो यहाँ पे आप वरी मत करिए, जो दिख रहा है वही रहेगा. Now we'll be seeing the last and the final bedroom of the house. So this is really gorgeous. यहाँ पे आप जैसे ही अंदर एंटर करोगे, सबसे पहले आपका फॉयर एरिया आ जाएगा, और फॉयर एरिया ही नहीं है वो सिर्फ, ये आपका पूरा वॉक इन वार्डरोब स्पेस है. तो यहाँ पे फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट आपका वॉक इन वार्डरोब, यहाँ पे आपकी वैनिटी, यहाँ पे आपने प्यारा सा मिरर अगर लगाना है तो लगा लीजिएगा, विच इज़ जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू योर वार्डरोब स्पेस. And this layout is really beautiful because this is 243 square feet sized master bedroom suite. And ये suite में एक और चीज़ सबसे अच्छी है, वो क्या है कि आपकी बेडरूम बड़ी है, वॉक इन वार्डरोब भी मिल रहा है, उसके साथ आपको मिल रहा है ह्यूज साइज्ड bath and toilet area. So we'll quickly check out that. The size of that is 11 by 6. Look at it. How beautiful and gorgeous this bathroom size is. So 11 by 6 का आपका ये मास्टर बाथरूम आ गया. So आपका ये bath and toilet के अलावा ये 246 square feet का आपका पूरा master bedroom suite है. So guys, if you really like this view, you are impressed in every possible way, and you are tempted to buy an apartment over here, you want to own a 4-bed apartment which you have always dreamed in Mumbai, then this is the project that you should definitely check out, because it not only offers you a view for lifetime, but also it is in the heart of Mumbai with a great connectivity, amazing layout, and a construction by Godrej. So wherein you can be assured that you will be getting best property in a best possible way and delivered as been promised. So guys, अगर आपको ये लेआउट बहुत पसंद आया है और सिर्फ गम डेक का है, तो डेक के लिए देखो स्क्वायर फीट बढ़ेगा, कॉस्ट भी बढ़ेगी. अगर आपको ये पूरा पसंद आया और सिर्फ डेक का दुख है, तो लेट मी शो यू वन थिंग वेरी क्लियरली. So guys, this is the glass facade that you get for your safety purpose, and this window will be slided completely. So you can enjoy the gorgeous view and all the natural light will come inside your apartment. I hope आपको ये पूरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर कहीं पे भी आपको लगा ये फ्रूटफुल था आपके होम सर्च पे, तो please share it with your friends and family members if they are also looking a property in Mahalaxmi with a developer which is trusted utmost for all the amenities, security, safety, best construction, and the promise to be delivered. Right guys, I hope to see you in the next video very soon. Kindly call on the given number and talk to the direct sales representative to get the best pricing, best discounts, and also to know the availability. You can also go in the description link, click on that link, download the floor plan and the brochure. You can go through that and take a decision accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you have yet not subscribed the channel, kindly do so. Till then, bye bye, take care.